Details of the program. Hey there, folks! Now we are diving into and exploring the two financing options, Hometown Heroes TBA and Hometown Heroes Bond. So, what is the best deal that applies specifically for you? Here we go with a concise overview of the programs. And if at the end you would like to go further, just contact me at your convenience and I will get you in touch with one of our qualified Hometown Heroes loan specialists, and inviting you to subscribe and collaborate on the growth of this channel. By subscribing, you will stay updated with the latest video, insights, and discussions. Starting July 1st, home buyers will have an additional option, Hometown Heroes TBA. This option will be available because even though the Hometown Heroes Bond program often has lower interest rate than the regular TBA program, it's imperative to remember that the bond program has some limitations. It has lower income and purchase limits. It considers the combined income of everyone in the household. If you want to apply for the bond program, you will also need tax documents for the past for the past 3 years, and in addition, you will need to provide the tax documents of your not purchasing spouse. Summarizing, Hometown Heroes TBA, flexible interest rate once announced. HTH bond rates may offer a lower interest rate than TBA. TBA, no specified income or purchase limits. Be aware, with HTH bond there will be lower income limits, purchase price limits, and household income calculation. If using the TBA HTH program in the automated underwriting system, income is considered. AUS is a computer program that analyzes your loan application within certain pre-configured criteria and decides within minutes whether you should get approved for a mortgage. On the other hand, HTH Bond uses household income calculation, gross annual income of all occupants age 18 and older, consigner income considered in qualified. When it comes to 1099 and W-2s, do all HTH programs require 3-year tax return to validate first-time buyer status? The answer is no. Is using the TBA HTH program, the borrowers must complete the declaration section of the Uniform Residential Loan application only. All buyers will need to complete a new certification form that no longer includes references for occupational licensing or certification. This means that the certification form will focus on other aspects or requirements instead, excluding the need to provide information related to occupational licenses or certifications. As promised, let's take an overall look at some other down payment assistance programs. These programs can provide valuable support to help you with the upfront cost of buying a home. Let's continue and see what opportunities await for you. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and engage with others by leaving your comments and opening new doors for questions and clarifications. I know this is a dense narrative, even though I work so hard to put it in the simplest way for you. I'm more than happy to answer any questions you may have. It's important to me to understand where you need the most support and clarifications. Please. The FL Assist program is not forgivable. You don't have to repay it right away, except if you sell or transfer the property, pay off the first mortgage, refinance, or stop living in the property. At that point, the FL Assist amount becomes due, and you must pay it back in full. The Florida Homeownership Loan Program requires a monthly payment. You don't have to pay the remaining amount right away, except is you sell the property, transfer ownership, pay off the first mortgage, refinance, or start living in the property as your primary residence. At that point, the full amount of the HLP second mortgage becomes due and you have to pay it back in full. When you use this second mortgage alongside Florida Housing Conventional HFA Preferred of HFA Advantage first mortgage products, it is gradually forgiving at a rate of 20% each year over 5 years period. This means that by the end of the 5-year term, the second mortgage is completely forgiven. It is important to notice that this plus second mortgage is only available when used with this specific conventional first mortgage products. Please notice that for the plus, do not confuse FHA with HFA. HFA Preferred is a product offered by Fannie Mae and available exclusively to eligible housing finance agencies. On the other hand, HFA Advantage is a conventional mortgage product offered by Freddie Mac and available exclusively for housing finance agencies. Now is the right moment to complement your buyer journey by downloading this impactful guide that will provide comprehensive coverage on what is happening in the housing market in South Florida. Why does buying a property or an investment property make more sense in today's market? Number 3, how to succeed in buying your dream home in 2023. And number 4, guide to the mortgage market. Number 5, 3 myths about FHA loans. Number 6, the essential calculation for every home buyer to know. And number 7, VIP invitation to the private group South Florida Currents. Sending you all the positive vibes, and well wishes on your exciting home buying journey. Remember, you have already got a team of professionals by your side, ready to guide you every step of the way.